Okay, so let's talk about markets today. Today is October 21st, 2021. Let's go to the index here. The best performer was QQQ. QQQ is the NASDAQ and the ETF for the NASDAQ and moved to the upside today, closing at 377.27. So it keeps moving up. Let's reduce this a little bit. So it's still in the channel, moving up and targeting this 382.78. It created here, if you notice, there was a bullish divergence in between this a lower low and then this lower low, but the MACD showed a higher low in this area here, and then it triggered a positive momentum setup right here in the stochastics and also the MACD. So moved up very nicely, and today another day of positive uptrend. However, after the close, retraced back all the way down to 317.18, which is well, actually 374.76. So that's NASDAQ still in upward momentum and trying to test this upper side here, this all-time high at 382.90 in the weeklies. S&P 500 also moved to the upside. It is trying to break this horizontal line. So I do have an alert here at 454.25. So we'll see if it triggered it tomorrow after the close. Came back, and now it's at 452.67, about that area. IWM, it keeps in the channel in the weeklies and is breaking this diagonal in the dailies. Let's see, right there. So it's breaking it, but it's still in the channel. So triggered a positive signal in the MACD and also the stochastics, and the squeeze is moving to the upside. So still in the channel though, with a lot of resistance here. So we want to see if it moves above 234.53, or it's going to break below this support right here. Dow Industrials, let's go back to the as well, is trying to break to the upside, already moved away from this resistance level right here, and then came back after the close. But it's still trying to get to the upside. This market is, too high, I guess. It's the word that I'm the words that I'm trying to use. This the TLT is coming back down, crossing back down the 30 period moving average in the weekly, and then in the daily also crossed below the 10 days moving average. VIX So sentiment, no fear, keep going down at 1501. It went all the way to 1494. So very, very low fear in this market. Let's review the sectors. So the best sector today was XLY, consumer discretionary. So this one, it's all-time high, 193.55. XLV, healthcare, also crossing, yesterday it crossed the 30 days moving average and keeps moving up. Technology sector as well, moving upwards above the 30 days moving average. Positive MACD and stochastics, consolidating a little bit sideways, but threatening to move up. Real estate moving up as well, all-time high at 48.41. Communications moving above the 30 days moving average. XLI, industrials, moving upwards also, threatening this 105.23 resistance. XLU moved up today and then came back a little, so it's right in the 50% retracement. Consumer staples moving up as well, trying to cross the 30 days moving average. However, it's giving a signal on the stochastics to move down. So we'll see how this one goes out of this resistance, or if it retraces back. Basic materials moving up upside as well. Financials moving up and already past the 127.2 target on the Fibonacci. And energy had a kind of a bad day today, retraced back, but it's still above the 10 days moving average, forming I'm going to show here, forming a bull flag. So the expectation would be that this one would close above tomorrow, or if it keeps going down, crossing this 10 days moving average, and then forming a bull flag and probably bounce back again. So let's review now XLY sector, which is the best performer today. Pool Corporation, away from the earnings release, moved very nicely, 7.65%. A couple of days ago crossed the 30 days moving average. Tractor Supply, earnings as well, positive reaction, moving to the upside. Ulta Beauty, moving sideways, two red arrows here, so momentum is down with high volume, so we'll see. Today it moved 3.83, recovering, but below the 30 days moving average still. There's a horizontal breakout setup here. It's remove this, and let's put this. So there's a horizontal breakout right there. So the setup is positive. So if it goes and breaks above this one, there's a nice entry, and then the stop would be right below this this line here. So it moved 3.75% after earnings, which is a really nice move. Under Armour has earnings within the next 10 days, so nothing to do here. Tesla, trying to break this all-time high, so moving nicely. There's an alert there at 900.6. So if it moves up above that, that there was a bull flag today that triggered, and now it's a horizontal breakout setup. Ford Motors earnings on 10/27, so within the 10 days. Advanced Auto Parts all-time high after earnings, going back down, creating a bull flag here, breaking this diagonal, and moving to the upside very nicely. All-time high. O'Reilly Automotive as well, with earnings on the 28th. Best Buy in a channel, and I'm gonna put an alert here for the breakout. And lastly, the last one I want to review is this Carmax, also in a channel, and potential break on 147.93. So I would get an alert if it breaks this price here and see if I enter it. Okay, that would be the review for today.